Let's grow some food. I'm Dr. Fox, and this is part of Lesson 1, Seed Families. This is Amaranthaceae, which doesn't have a nickname, unfortunately. I know this isn't a very popular family with most Americans, but if you've only had canned beets, then you really need to buy some from the store and try them roasted with some olive oil and rosemary, and your mind will be changed. They're so packed with nutrition that there's a company that sells beet powder as a vitamin supplement. Up here in the Pacific Northwest, I haven't had much luck in growing them in the ground because of both pests and the fact that they prefer a higher pH than my soil has. But I've had good luck with them hydroponically. You just have to keep lifting them up out of the basket. The other thing about beets that a lot of people don't know is that the greens are really, really tasty. As you can see, there's a wide variety of colors and sizes available, and they're pretty quick to grow. Both beets and Swiss chard can survive cool temperatures and sometimes a light frost, but not a heavy frost. Swiss chard is another vegetable that not a lot of people have tried. For me, I don't have the most sensitive palate in the world, but for me it's a really good substitute for spinach, which I'm not good at growing. Spinach has a tendency to bolt really fast, and it takes a lot of plants to get a volume of leaves. It's also hard to get a good germination rate with spinach, but if you spray the seeds with hydrogen peroxide, it'll go faster and better. But you can see here in the Swiss chard, those are actual knives sitting next to those leaves. They're humongous, and the plants are some of the most beautiful plants you'll ever see. They are a little bit on the astringent side, but I have found a way to combat that, and that is cream cheese. So just steam the leaves and put a layer of cream cheese between them. It is absolutely awesome. Swiss chard is also dense in nutrients, so it's really good for you. If you've never had it, buy some from the store and then plant some. You won't be sorry. That's it for the amaranth family. Check out the other families and then move on to lesson 2.